Very good morning, viewers. You're watching live this morning with me, Rakshita Mishra, and we have breaking news coming in from Tamil Nadu right now. Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Udayanithi Stalin, has targeted the governor of Tamil Nadu, R.N. Ravi, calling him an agent of the central government, and that's what we are breaking right now. In fact, Udayanithi Stalin said that he is an agent of the central government and his position holds no value. Udayanithi further went on to say that the governor, who is a supporter of BJP, wanted Tamil Nadu's name to be changed last year. Take a listen, viewers, to what exactly Udayanithi Stalin has said.
ஒரே ஒரு கோரிக்கை மட்டும் வச்சிருக்கிறார். தயவு செஞ்சு வருகின்ற சட்டமன்ற தேர்தல் வரைக்கும் இந்த ரெண்டு பேரை மட்டும் மாத்திராதீங்க. யாரு? ஆளுநர் ஆர்.என். ரவி அவர்களையும் அதே போல பாஜக தலைவர் அவரையும் தயவு செய்து மாத்திராதீங்க. அவங்க இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் எங்களுடைய பிரச்சார வேலையை அவங்க சிறப்பாக செய்யறாங்க. தயவு செய்து மாத்திராதீங்க. ஒரே ஒரு கோரிக்கை மட்டும் வச்சிருக்கிறார். தயவு செஞ்சு வருகின்ற சட்டமன்ற தேர்தல் வரைக்கும் இந்த ரெண்டு பேரை மட்டும் மாத்திராதீங்க. யாரு? ஆளுநர் ஆர்.என். ரவி அவர்களையும் அதே போல பாஜக தலைவர் அவரையும் தயவு செய்து மாத்திராதீங்க. அவங்க இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் எங்களுடைய பிரச்சார வேலையை அவங்க சிறப்பாக செய்யறாங்க. தயவு செய்து மாத்திராதீங்க.
And my colleague Shada, in fact, is joining us live in the broadcast for more. Shada, Udayanithi Stalin now calling the governor an agent of the BJP. Now, tell us more about the context of his statement. Why is he taking aim at the governor?
The DMK and the governor R.N. Ravi of Tamil Nadu has constantly been on wars. It's not new that the minute the R.N. Ravi was appointed as the governor here, DMK has constantly been taking jibes at him. And last month, the governor had to leave the parliament while the DMK had constantly put him down through an issue. However, governor last year in 2024 added that the Tamil Nadu name should be changed to Tamilagam, and DMK along with the state actually protested against it, telling that Tamil Nadu name cannot be changed, and this is how the governor and DMK has constantly been at wars against each other. However, R.N. Ravi is managing the state very well according to the center. However, DMK is constantly stating that he's been taking partially information from BJP and acting according to what the center says to him and not acting as a mediator between the state and center.
Right, Shada, thanks so much for joining us with those details coming in on that story, viewers. So the face-off, of course, between the governor and the Tamil Nadu government continues. This amidst the language row, the NEP policy as well.